Good morning, students. Today we will start with exercise 8.1. Let us see the first question. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. So, let the angles of the quadrilateral be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. We know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree, which we have proved also. So 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x will be equal to 360 degree. When you add it, you will get it as 30x. So 30x equals to 360 degree. So x will be equal to 360 by 30, that is 12. So the required angles are 3x equals to 3 into 12, 36 degree. 5x equals to 5 into 12, that is 60 degree. 9x equals to 9 into 12, that is 108 degree. And 13x equals to 13 into 12, that is 156 degree. Now let us see question number 2. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Now given is ABCD is a parallelogram and the diagonals AC and BD are equal. We have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. To prove, let us take these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Now in these two triangles, what do we find? That AC equals to BD given, AB equals to AB common and BC is equal to AD, which is the opposite sides of a parallelogram. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by SSS congruency rule. Now, if the two triangles are congruent, then angle ABC will be equal to angle BAD by CPCT. ABC, this angle, will be equal to angle BAD, this angle, which is, and we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. So, angle ABC plus angle BAD will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, because they are co-interior angles. Now, since angle ABC equals to angle BAD, therefore, in place of angle BAD, we can write down angle ABC, or in place of angle ABC, we can write down angle BAD. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle ABC equals to 180 degree, or twice angle ABC equals to 180 degree. So, angle ABC or angle BAD equals to 90 degree. When one of the angle is equal to 90 degree, therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Now let us see question number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So let us solve question number 3. It is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral in which OA equals to OC because the diagonals are bisecting each other at right angles. So OA will be equal to OC and OB will be equal to OD. At the same time, all these four angles will be equal to 90 degree. That is AOB, BOC, COD and DOA all equal to 90 degree. We have to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. For this, we will take these two triangles AOB and triangle BOC. Now, in these two triangles, OA equals to OC given. OB is equal to OB common and this angle, angle AOB equals to angle BOC, each equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Now, if these two triangles are congruent to each other, then AB will be equal to BC by CPCT. Now, if we have already proved in the theorem part that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. So here already it is given that the diagonals are bisecting each other. So it is a parallelogram and opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal. Now, since ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB equals to BC, which we have already proved, therefore ABCD is a rhombus. So, do these three questions in your copy. Thank you.